Hey everyone, Shove here, taking over Queer Girl Straight Skates channel once again. If you like anything that has to do with roller skating product reviews or roller skate lifestyles, I'm not the usual host. That's my girlfriend Rebel, but go ahead and like and subscribe and comment if you wish Shove would take it over even more. I'm usually behind the camera, but today I'm in front of the camera.
Ow!
And today we're going to be doing the review on the S1 helmet, the Mega Lifer, along with like my journey of helmets and do they fit or not. So let's go. All right, so I have a big head. I'm a big girl.
You do.
A big girl with a big head. Hats never fit me, so of course helmets don't really fit me. And it's really important to have a helmet that actually fits. So when I first started skating, I joined Derby, so I had to get full gear. And we all know my whole issue finding gear that could fit, but we're not talking about that this episode. We're talking about helmets. This is my little Courtney Shove helmet from Derby. I have my Derby number. I painted the back of it. I keep it mostly as like an art piece now because, to be honest, like I just didn't have that much money to spend at the time. And this is an S1 helmet too, actually, but it's an extra large, and the padding is not the thinnest. It's gone through some stuff. This is actually not even the original padding because I was doing Derby for about 2 years. So when I actually got this helmet, it was matte black because it didn't have any cute colors, and everyone else had like metallic gold and like glittery helmets, and I was like, I want a glittery helmet. So I actually bought a matte black one, spray painted it silver, and then I got a silver glitter blast, did all that, and then eventually I painted I want to be the girl with the most cake with a cupcake because it's lyrics from a whole song. So, you know, Courtney Shove, Courtney Love. I know all the babies don't know who Courtney Love is, but it's all right. I still feel cool even though I'm old. All right, so let's talk about the fit of the S1 in a size extra large, which was the biggest one available at the skate shop when I went. So I would usually make sure I put my hair in braids because this would happen. So this is how it fits. It's not that it's too small, but it just felt like it was really on there. And I remember like seeing pictures of me at practice and being like, why do I feel like I have a peanut head? Like, it just felt like it wasn't the right proportion. Also, I guess I should talk about fit. If you put your helmet on and you go like this and your helmet moves at all, it's too big for you. You either need bigger padding or size down on a helmet because that can be dangerous. This helmet actually saved my life. I have slammed my head down on concrete and on like a gym floor basically at Derby practice so hard that I had whiplash in my neck. And my helmet saved me. And a lot of helmets are high impact and multiple impact, but once you have like a gnarly hit, you should actually get a new helmet. You shouldn't just keep letting it like slam against things, whether it's with your head inside falling or you're just throwing your helmet. All those impacts it's going to kind of like mess up the formation of the helmet. So helmets aren't something that you buy once and wear for the rest of your life. You should still be changing your helmet, especially if you're someone that unfortunately tends to fall and bang their head. Or
shut up, babe.
Rough. Yeah, just like Rebel. If you've seen her posts. So that's my first helmet. I love it and treasure it forever because it was baby's first helmet. Then I got on the Moxie skate team and I got this free helmet and I was like, it's my favorite color. It gives me major Lisa Frank vibes. I was like obsessed. Once again, only went up to a large/extra large, and the way you adjust that is through the padding. And then I was super excited because the padding in here is like the quick dry material, so it like soaks up all the sweat. It's kind of called Sweat Saver, and it really soaks everything up. It's like terry cloth. It's comfortable, way more than the foam. So I was like, great. And then you put it on And people get mad when I say this about myself, but like, I feel like if someone took a potato and took like a bottle cap from a water bottle and put it on top of the potato, and then that's how I look right now. Like I'm pretty much protected, but I
The
feel
sexiest
like,
potato.
I feel like this is exposed, and then I have natural hair, so like that's taking up room too, and it just feels like it's covering my head, but not as much as it should. And like if I had braids, this doesn't fit. And when I had braids, my other S1 barely fit. So when you want to rock natural hairstyles, as most black skaters do, of all genders, whether it's dreadlocks or extensions or braids, or you're just throwing your wig on and you like to skate in your wig, or you have even more natural hair than I do because my hair is pretty short, like you're kind of SOL when it comes to a helmet. So you just have to take the risk of just being, hope I don't fall on my head and hope my dreads or my braids comfort like the impact. And I don't think that's really fair. So I found out that there's an S1 Mega Lifer helmet, and that it comes up to I believe it's a 3XL. Oh yeah. So I found out that the S1 Mega Lifer helmet comes into a 3XL, and I was like, 3XL? I got a big old head, like that's definitely gonna work. And then I was thinking about how winter's coming, protective hairstyles, I'm gonna want braids again, and I love those big chunky braids like Moesha. So I was like, all right, let me get it. So I asked S1 if they could send me a helmet so I could do a review and find out, is this the solution for whether you just have a big old head or you wear black natural hairstyles, or both, because I have both, right? And they were kind enough to be like, yes, here you go. So thank you, S1. So I chose the white gloss. I would say my first issue would be that for this size helmet, they only offer a limited amount of colors, and S1 actually has like some beautiful options out there. I had to choose between white, purple, black, and gray, and none of them are really like, if you're very femme and you like want something like pretty in quotations, it was more just like basic, like matte and some gloss options. But I went with the white because I felt like it just looked kind of like a little rich to me, and like a lot of my stickers have white backgrounds, so I thought they would really pop on this one. And I pulled it out, and right away I was like, ooh, this is pretty big. Also, the padding's really thin in there, so this will be like a true 3X, but it also comes with padding to make it an XL and a 2XL, so they go up in sizing, so that's pretty cool too. But I knew right away, I'm not even gonna mess with that. I'm probably a 3X. I am. This is how a helmet should fit.
Yeah.
It's not super up by here. It's not super up here. Like, I feel super protected in this. My hair doesn't feel trapped. I can still tighten it a little bit. If I braid my hair, I would probably make it to a 2X. I'd put those in because then there would be so much stuff. My only concern is I have about 1 finger's worth of space, of extra space. But with this as it is, if I shake my head, it's on there. I would probably tighten this a little bit just to make sure that's like that. Yeah, just tightening this would be okay. But as I said, I can put a finger in there, which means if I get braids, this probably isn't gonna fit me still. I will, next time I get braids, I will definitely take a picture or do another review to test it out, because that was my main reason for it, because I have yet to find a helmet that I can wear whenever I have my braids in. And I think that sucks, and that's one thing that we have to hold these companies in the skate community accountable for, is you're being inclusive in so many ways, but we still need to have the product to fit every skater. So if you're a skater with an average size head, and you have a protective hairstyle like braids, or you have dreads or something, this will work for you. I really think this will work for you. Like, it is big. Like, I can like even kind of move it. Like, I might go ahead and put one of those on. Like, this will do the job. You already have a big head like me? I don't know. It might be, maybe if you have some tiny singles, it might fit. But if you got some big old braids, box braids, I don't think it's gonna work, because like I said, one finger's width. But yeah, overall, I love it. I don't feel like a potato with a little tiny hat on top of my head. So I think I definitely approve it. That's as much as I can say. I'm definitely gonna rock it. Like, this is my new helmet. As much as I love this one because it's so pretty, your girl's head is just way too big. So maybe one day Moxie will make a larger size, and then I'll be able to look extra cute with my big old helmet and my big old head. But till then, I will just use this white one, and I'll make it super cute with some Queer Girl Straight Skates stickers on it and some Fat Femme Fatale stickers on it, and I think we'll make it our own. But yeah. So thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. The chaos continues, even if it's just me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's some new stickers, so definitely check out the shop. There might be some t-shirts there too. I don't know, go look. But yeah, bye guys. I should have stayed behind the camera.
No, we love it when you're in front of the camera.
Airplanes.
Follow Shove.
I shouldn't be a hun. I'm royal. On top of the world. Yeah, on top of the world. On top of the world. Yeah, on top of the world. On top of the world. Yeah, on top of the world. On top of the world. Yeah, on top of the world.